Day off mode na naman tayo. Alam na this. Gala tayo. Siyempre dito yan sa Dubai. Ito muli si Joseph Jose PH, ang biyahero nyo. Dito yan sa Dubai. Tara, gala na tayo. Simulan muli natin ang biyahe sa pagsakay sa metro. Tara, punta na tayo sa metro station at hanapin anong platform ang ating sasakyan kasi nga Dubai Mall. Pupuntahan natin, di ba? Kaya tap na tayo ng card para makapasok. Ayan, so ang train na sasakyan natin ay papuntang Expo 2020. Papunta yan ng Dubai Mall. Pagbaba mo nga pala dyan sa metro ng Dubai Mall, diretso ka lang dun sa may Dubai Mall, may mga arrows naman papunta dun sa may exit 1. Kaya, tara na, simulan na natin ang paglalakad. At alam mo ba rito sa station na ito, meron silang travelator o yung walkator para sa mga tamad maglakad. At habang naglalakad ka, ang ganda ng scenery o ng view. Makikita mo agad ang Burj Khalifa. Sa paglalakad mo nga pala papuntang Dubai Mall, madadaanan mo ang Burj Vista. Pero diretso ka lang sa paglakad hanggang sa Dubai Mall hanggang makita mo na ang building ng Dubai Mall na yan. At syempre, katabi ng Dubai Mall, yan ang Burj Khalifa. Ang ganda, di ba? So hello there guys, after 10 to 15 minutes of walking from the metro all the way here, see that? We are now about to enter the Dubai Mall. So let's check it out. So stay tuned as always, alright? Yan, pagpasok mo sa Dubai Mall, meron naman mga signage o mga signboard kung saan ka pupunta. Pero dun muna tayo sa attraction ng Dubai Mall. So yes, hello guys, we're here in the Dubai Mall, and this is one of the tourist attraction they have here in the Dubai Mall. They call this the diving waterfalls. Here we go. So if you notice there, so there's like a diving man there. So this is one of their attraction they have here inside the Dubai Mall. So those are their like the diving men, and those waterfalls, if you notice on the video, are free flowing water that they have here. So very relaxing view they have here in Dubai Mall. So yes, kita-kita ba naman, very relaxing ang view na yan, di ba? At alam mo ba sa loob ng Dubai Mall, alam natin sa Middle East yan, di ba? Meron din silang ice skating rink, parang sa Mega Mall sa SM. Alam mo ba sa loob ng Dubai Mall, meron silang napakalaking aquarium na andun. Na kung aakalain mo, yung mga isda na nagsiswimming or lumalangoy dyan, ay mga artificial fishes. Take note, totoong isda po ang mga yan na makikita mo. At yes, merong big aquarium sa loob mismo ng Dubai Mall. Kaya punta ka na dyan. At kung gusto mo naman pumasok sa loob ng Dubai Aquarium na yan, yan naman ang kanilang ticket booth. So paano, nagugutom ka na ba? Eh ako, gutom na ako. Buti na lang, malapit lang ang food court sa Dubai Aquarium at ang food court nila sobrang laki. Ang daming choices na pwede mong kainan. Hello guys, so nagutom sa pagkala, hikot dito sa Dubai Mall. So it's good they have parties here in their food court in Dubai Mall. Yeah, tara guys, kain muna po tayo. So guys, we're still here in Dubai Mall, and this is now the luxury area. Here in Dubai Mall, one good thing here is, yes, they have luxury store, classy stores, and not only that, they also have like budget-friendly stores or any stores that you'd like to look for. They have it here. Pero sabi nga nila sa SM, we got it all for you. Here in Dubai Mall, same goes. So, ito naman good news to all Jordan collectors like me. Well, meron sila sa Dubai Mall at kitang-kita mo, andyan ang mga iba mga Jordan collection where you can buy Jordan shoes, apparels, t-shirt, jackets, bags, at marami pang iba. And yes, you can also see different models and different prices depending on the item. Kaya punta ka na dyan sa Dubai Mall at napakalaki, napakaganda ng store na yan. Hey guys, mga naghahanap ng Samba, Adidas Samba, here in the Dubai Mall, the Adidas shop in here, yes, they have the Samba shoes in here. Regular price, and it was still priced at $499. They have the Adidas Samba, and they also have the Adidas Special. here we go. Take a look at it. So just check out here in Dubai Mall. They have the Samba, Adidas Samba, Adidas Special, Adidas Superstore, and once again, the Adidas Samba. Check it out here. This is the Apple store here in the Dubai Mall. And let's visit this. We're not gonna go take a look on each devices that they have available in here, but because they have a wonderful balcony. So let's take a look, okay? So when you go to the Dubai Mall, try to step inside the Apple store because this is the balcony that you will be able to see inside the Apple store of Dubai Mall. They have this certain balcony that wherein you could be able to see this site that where I'm looking at right now. Wow, look at that. Look how amazing the view is. And I just would like to let you know that during this time, the Dubai Fountain, starting this day, this month, the Dubai Fountain will be closed for 6 months. Why? It will be closed because they are on renovation. One of the good thing here in Dubai Mall, napakaganda ng scenery nila, ng view nila, at hindi lang yan. Andyan mo rin matatagpuan yung iconic landmark dito sa Dubai. Syempre, ano pa nga ba yun? Yan ang Burj Khalifa. Hello guys, so that is the tallest tower in the world. That is the Burj Khalifa, found in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I'm also about to end my video here. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next journey. Currently, that's the Dubai Fountain. It's currently under renovation. Good for 6 months right now. But until our next journey, sa sunod natin mga biyahe dito sa mga iba't ibang mga tanawin, mga places here in Dubai while I'm working here as an OFW as one of their healthcare practitioner. Thank you so much, everyone. Until our next journey, take care as always, and don't forget to love as always. Joseph, signing off for now. Take care and love us always.